Hey everyone! Are you looking for a UPS store nearby? Whether you need to send a package, print something, or get a mailbox, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to find a UPS store in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the browser on your device and go to www.ups.com. At the top of the page, click on Find Locations. Next, enter your city and zip code, or tap Use My Location to find stores near you. Click Search, and you'll see a list of nearby UPS stores. Each store listing will show important details like the distance from your location, opening and closing days and hours, mobile number for contact, and drop-off deadlines for shipments. For more details, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of a store listing. Here, you can find available services such as printing, mailbox rentals, package drop-offs, and shipping options, including ground and air shipping. You can also check for special service options offered at that location. If you frequently use a specific UPS store, you can save its location for easy future access. Simply click the Save Location option to quickly find it next time without searching again. To get directions, click on the Directions option, and it will open your preferred map app to guide you there. If you need to contact the store directly, tap the Call button to connect instantly. And that's it. This is the quickest way to find a UPS store near you so you can ship, print, or pick up your mail without hassle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Free Tech Guide for more new tips and tricks.